Her right shoulder is actually raised up higher compared to the left. So that's already the first thing when I talk about checking the symmetry from each side. But I'm going to start with palpating. Let me know if anything is painful or tender, okay?
Going right there, just
Right here.
yeah.
Okay, so that upper thoracic. Good. Any pain in my
Oh
cushion?
yeah.
Okay, so pain over that right side joint. Okay, so it's not like a huge difference, but the left leg actually does pull a little bit short to the right. When we scan up, so the left side is actually raised up just a little bit higher compared to the right side. Right in here. Good. How was that?
That was good.
Okay. Let me have you take a deep breath in and exhale out. Good. One more time, a little bit lower here. Deep breath in and exhale out. There we go. Okay. Let me have you sit up on the table. Okay, so from here, bring one arm open over, and then bring the other arm open over. Good. Keep your thighs to the table for me. Alright, so first we're going to go a little bit lower, down here. Good. Now we're going to rotate you. Good. There it was. Not too bad, right?
No.
Okay. Squeeze your elbows together.
Oh.
Good. And then take a seat right here, facing that way. Okay. Okay, so we're going to bring one arm up, bring the other one up. Good. Just like that. Okay, let me have you take a deep breath in and exhale out. There. And relax. Rest right there. What's the difference?
Yeah.
Okay. Stand up, stand up.
Yeah, I feel so much more like relaxed and not so tense.
Okay.
I don't feel pain.